Mountain Standard Time. Sunny, 12 degrees Celsius. Conditions for Red Deer Regional Airport at 12 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Mostly cloudy, 8 degrees Celsius. Forecast for air to be in Calgary issued by
A wind warning is in effect for City of Calgary, Rocky View County near Bragg Creek and Suwitiina Res, Foothills County near Pretus and Brown Lowry Pross Park, Foothills County near Diamond Valley, Foothills County near Okotoks and De Winton, Rocky View County near Airdrie and Crossfield, Rocky View County near Bottrell and Madden, Rocky View County near Cochrane, Rocky View County near Chestermere, Dalroy and Dalemead and Wheatlands County near Strathmore, Lyalta and Parkland.
Environnement Canada a émis une alerte dans votre région. À midi 12 HNR le samedi 11 novembre 2023. Un avertissement de vent est en vigueur pour ville de Calgary, cité de Rockview près de Bragg Creek et de la résidence à Suwitiina, cité de Foothill près de Prédis et du Brown Lowry Pross Park, cité de Foothill près de Diamond Valley, cité de Foothill près de Okotoks et de Winton, cité de Rockview près d'Airdrie et Crossfield, cité de Rockview près de Boutrail et Madden, cité de Rockview près de Cochrane, cité de Rockview près de Chestermere, Dalroy et Dalemead et cité de Wheatland près de Strathmore, Lyalta et Carsland.
forecast for air to be in Calgary issued by Environment.